Got a bit of an audience. Two degrees. Sun's starting to come out though. I got this camp chair. There's my tripod. It's gonna be a bit chilly sitting here, but we'll be all right. Aside from the fact of it being so cold, it's actually like so nice out here. Green grass, so flat, peaceful. Kind of wanted this in the background. Oh, that's kind of cool. Shout out DJ Topi. He just sent me some loops recently, so I'm gonna cook up using them. So we're gonna go with this one. I've made beats with nearly all of them now, so I kind of saved this one for the video because it had Gianni on it as well. Bless you. I don't know if you can see it, but there's an alpaca there as well. Come here. Yeah, he doesn't give a single f. When I like to do that as well, I like to just throw this one of the sides just like a very incremental percentage just off. I think it has something to do with the Haas effect. It's like a psychoacoustic effect that makes the signal feel like wider than it actually is. I think it's got a similar like principle to it. And also like throwing it off, it just makes it sound more like humanized in a way. I'm gonna add some hi-hats because I feel like I never use them really in my beats. This is the plus side of living out in the country, you know. It's nice out like this. But the negative, I guess, is like there's not many connections. Like it's gonna be really rare that I'm gonna meet somebody that is like an artist or a producer or something. There's not many creatives out here. Yeah, there's a lot more farmers definitely than there is rappers out here. Not gonna lie. That's it for the beat. Just trying to wrap it up kind of quick because I can't feel my fingers and toes. Appreciate you watching. I hope you liked it. Also, if you liked this video, the chances are that you'll probably like my other videos. So go and check out them if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, whatever. Go check out my Patreon. It's a really great way to support the channel. But yeah, otherwise, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.